How to fix message notification not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that the silent mode is turned off. And after that, you have to check whether the device is on DND or not. If it is on Do Not Disturb mode, then you have to remove it. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to Settings. Move into General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. And then you have to click on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of a device. And then enter the screen time passcode. Once again click on Reset Network Settings. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.